I connected my YouTube channel to the Claude, and this is what it told me. Which of my YouTube videos are actually performing, or why are people clicking and not watching, and what should I make next based on my actual data. I connected my YouTube channel to the Claude, and it gave me all the answers to these questions with real numbers. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can also do it in exactly like 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. A quick intro if you are new here. I am Tejal and I make AI workflows and automations using Claude, and I document everything on this channel. Today I'm going to show you something most of the YouTubers have no idea it's possible. You can connect your actual YouTube analytics to the Claude and then just ask it questions in plain English. No spreadsheets, no CSV exports, no spending 20 minutes inside YouTube Studio. Just Claude with access to your real YouTube channel. So before we connect anything into the Claude, here's a quick explanation. Claude on its own doesn't know your YouTube numbers. It doesn't know how many views you got for your YouTube videos every single week. But Claude has a connector features. Connectors let you plug external tools like Claude, so Claude can actually read your data and answer questions about it. The connector we are using is called Windsor.ai. It's a data integration tool that connects YouTube and over 300 other platforms to Claude. It has a free plan, no credit card needed. For you to connect and for you to use co-work in Claude, you need to have the pro plan because you won't be able to connect Windsor through a free plan on your Claude. So you would need a pro plan for this one. Step 1. In Claude, click the plus icon in the chat input or go to customize in the sidebar. Step 2, click on connectors, then search for Windsor. Step 3, click the Windsor.ai connector and hit connect. It opens a browser window to authorize. So you need to sign in or create a free account at Windsor.ai. And then step 4, inside Windsor, click add data source. Choose YouTube and then sign in with your Google account and then grant your access. Then step 5, back in Claude, set Windsor permissions to always allow. This means Claude can access your data in every chat without asking you again. Done. That's the whole setup. Now let's ask it something real. Okay, let's just start with the basics. I'm going to say which traffic sources is driving the most views right now. Source suggested, videos, or direct. Knowing this tells you where to focus, and if search is driving most of your views, your titles and SEO matter more than your posting frequency. And yeah, if it's suggested, your thumbnails matter most. Claude just told you where to put your energy. I'm also going to ask it to create a dashboard for me. So as you can see that the YouTube connector is doesn't expose the traffic source dimension, and for it you need to connect your API, but for now we are just not gonna connect the API. So as for now, you can see that it has generated the YouTube dashboard. It has given me the total views from the last 30 days and then subscribers gained from the last 30 days, total likes, watch time, and this is a solid dashboard, to be honest. These are the top videos by the views. You can say this one has the most views. So let's ask something else. Let's ask it compare my shorts versus my long form videos. Which format is getting more views and more subscribers? Here's a breakdown for the last 30 days. So you can see the views from the shorts is the most. There's 35,401. Definitely here shorts are the most dominating. Let's just ask something else more. You just have to keep prompting it and trying our best to get the useful insights. So let's just say, which of my videos has a high click-through rate but low average view duration? What might explain the gap? It has given two things, which is thumbnail CTR. It's not available through Windsor YouTube connector, but yeah, again, it's an API issue. You need to connect your API for it to access your thumbnails and stuff like that. But overall it is like giving you the numbers, like, you know, most average views, what's the gap, is it low or high. It's also given me the explanation of like the gap basically, because like a slow start, the best move or most exciting moment is in the first second viewers or shorts swipe fast, misleading thumbnail and audio mismatch, low energy opening for the rounds covered. Let's ask something else. Using my Windsor data, which of my YouTube videos had the highest watch time percentage last month? So this video has like the most average views, which is over like 65.5%. So this is clearly the winner here. Let's ask, based on my YouTube performance data from the last 90 days, what topics and formats should I focus on for my next 5 videos? Use my actual channel data to make the recommendations. And look what just happened. Claude just like pulled 3 months of my channel data, identifying the what's exactly like working, and gave me a content plan based on my specific numbers and not just generic YouTube advice. That took about like 15 seconds. Building that analysis manually would have like taken me an hour. I want to be clear about like what we have done here. We haven't just made YouTube analytics faster, but we have changed what questions you can even ask. And YouTube Studio shows you your numbers, but it doesn't tell you what they mean or what to do about them. Claude does both. It reads your data and reasons about it and gives you suggestions on how to improve your content in the future. YouTube is just a start. Windsor connects to over like 300 platforms like TikTok, LinkedIn, Google Analytics, Shopify, whatever data matters to your work. You can probably bring it into Claude. Most people are still using Claude like a chatbot. People who connect it to the real data are in a completely different league. Also, you can like connect Windsor to LinkedIn, but then my LinkedIn is not a business profile. So if you have like a business profile of LinkedIn, then you can connect it through Windsor, which is cool. To recap, we connected YouTube to Claude using Windsor.ai, just 5 minutes, no code. We asked Claude which videos are performing and which ones have a click but no watch problem, which format is growing your channel fastest, and what to create next, all from your actual channel data, all in plain English. The next video I'm going deep on connectors, what else you can connect to Claude, and the most powerful combinations for creators and professionals. And subscribe if you want to see that next. And drop a comment, what data would you want to ask Claude about? Your analytics or your emails or something else. See you in the next one.